Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Mocha. All right, so we're not really snowed in, but there's like snow in Atlanta and near where I live. So I'm going to Walmart to get me. I'm going to Walmart to get me an adapter. And I said that wrong. There is snow in Atlanta, but there's not snow near where I live. Yeah, there's snow in Atlanta, but there's not snow where I live. It's like snowing, but like it's sprinkling. It's not even, it's a whole sack of nothing. And then the sun came out not too long ago. I was highly confused. I was like, what in the Atlanta is going on? Because, yeah, my mama got me these earmuffs and these gloves. She's like, I know you like brown. This is not the shade of brown that I like, but you know, when I like that she, you know, was like, oh, let me get her brown earmuffs, and it's a thought that counts. I'm gonna wear them. I need to get my nails done. We're on our way to Walmart to get an adapter and some other stuff. I made a list of what I needed so that we could get in and get out, period. But I'm just getting some essentials before, like, in case it does freeze tonight or snow some more or whatever the case is. If it really start going in, baby, I need to be ready. So I'm just gonna like clean my house, edit some videos, probably film and record some videos. And yeah, okay, I'm just gonna hold it like this so that way I can remember what I was gonna say to y'all. So hold on, wait. But yeah, we're on the way to Walmart to get some supplies so I can just do some cleaning and kind of get some stuff done while I don't have to work today, because they was like, hey, we're closing for tonight. We're closing for tonight because of the storm. So pretty babe, pretty babe, pretty babe, pretty babe. I love girls. Okay, so yeah, what happened? Like, oh, last night we had a good time. Like, go watch that vlog. That vlog, bingo was fun. It's Saturday now. It's Saturday, July. January 31st. Yeah. And the snow is out to get us. It was like cold last night. But for some reason, I haven't been getting cold because of how many layers I've been having on. Normally that don't happen. Normally I'm freezing, ready to go. I don't know what's been going on. And then I told y'all I start serving next week. I'm so excited to be making a little more money. Well, let's pray for a lot of it more money. Amen. Because some of the stats that I've been hearing sound pretty good to me. I might have to be there a lot more, but at least I have the opportunity to be like, okay, y'all will see me for, you know, y'all see me for 2 weeks, and then I cannot be there for a week because I done made what I needed in 2 weeks. I mean, in a week, what I needed in the rest of the, you know, time frame. Because I added like more hours or picked up shifts or whatever the case is. So. The Emancipation of Mimi, I have been running this album in the ground. Y'all, I had shots with the girls last night. Well, I took their shots for them. I think I'm a little hungover. I had 2 shots, a glass of wine, and 2 more glasses of wine when I got to the house. And I woke up this morning like, what is going on? My stomach is topsy-turvy, baby. And I just feel dehydrated. Like, I need a Gatorade. Bruh, everybody and their mama here, bruh. Just let me rock until the morning light. I just like when I like when I show my music to people and they like truly, like, genuinely like it. I love that. Yes! I'm trying to wish you more! I knew it. I was like, I want somebody. See, MOD. Okay, I need to study the menu. Y'all, I'm at Walmart and the power just went out. It went out and then it went back in. Then it went out, then it went back in, then it went out, then it went back in, then it went out. Then it was like a minute. And I was like, okay, I'm about to leave. Cause how we gonna cash out? And then he went back in. I was like, okay. Cause I was like, who got cash? I don't have no cash. They could take cash, but they would have to take like exact change. They couldn't get no drawers open. That would've been crazy. So let me hurry up and get my stuff before the thing go out again. And then Yogi needs something to do. He in my face too much. He just in my face, just looking at me, waiting on something to happen. He bored and he just staring at me. He needs something to do. He need a new toy or something. This kid is ridiculous at this point. I'd be like, go find you some business. So he don't have nothing to do. So there's only but so much I can ask of him, yeah? Child, why white people in the store act like they can't see you? I'd be confused. Okay, so this is the power mop thing I needed to get. We're just gonna go ahead and get this. And then I'll go ahead and get these for the floors. 5 mopping pads. They got the one with 20 in them, but yeah, I'm just gonna have to get more later. Okay, and then I need a duster. This is cute, but it's giving chia. This looks like a bird. This looks like an actual bird. What about ones that you just like, you know? I might have to go to whatchamacallit for that. Dollar Tree for the ones that you just swipe real fast. But yeah, that's the only duster I see. I don't see another duster. What is it called? It's called something like it's not a Swift. And then like with the Swiffers, is it Swiffer or is it Swifter? But then I said Swifter and I was like, that don't sound right. I was like, it has to be Swiffer. I was going through it earlier today, y'all. I really was. Okay, hold on, let me look at this phone, see what else we got. If anything, I can just wipe the dust off with Clorox wipes. It's really for my fans. I can get that another time. Heavy whipping cream. I got the Mod pads and the Mod. I mean the Swift. Wow. The Swiffer pads and the Swiffer floor mop stuff. Next thing I need is a duster. Oh, and I don't have any trash bags. But baby, I'm scared to go to Costco. The way that wind is blowing outside is absolutely crazy. I'm frightened. Ooh, I'm gonna walk away from the cookies. I would grab Oreos, but let's try not to be a big bag while we're in. Okay, they got some for $10 in trash bags. But listen, I got a pack of I paid $20, maybe $25 for a pack of 200 at Costco. I got those not even last March before last. So not 2025, but I got those in 2024. They just ran out. Mind you, I'm just a girl. It's just me in the house. But like, still, that's a long ass time. Should I get some chips? I wish I would have went to Costco. I wish I lived closer to Costco. Do you know how much easier that would be just to go down the street? Ugh. Alright, let me go get this daggone adapter before they say that electronics is closed again and they don't have the key. That's some bullshit. That's some BS. Cause you got the key. Ain't nobody taking the work key home. Like, that department's closed. They're gone for the day. We don't have the key. Lies. Cap, Your Honor. Cap, Your Honor. Okay, he needs something to like chew on. And it may be a bone. These are $2. He has that. I really want like him to be working on something. Baby, he has got to be productive. This is an interactive dog treat. It's $5. Let's see if that'll work. And then oh, I think they said customer needs assistance in cosmetics. I thought they were saying Walmart's closing in the next 30 minutes. Wrap it up, people. Busy bone. I'm just gonna try these two. That's 2 bones for him to work on. That should be fine. Yeah, if I see something else. Let's see, that's cats.
Hey, attention Walmart shoppers, Miss Hattie, will you please meet your party at customer service? Miss Hattie, please meet up at customer service.
They be losing people. I just know they do. Okay. Let's go get what we actually came here for. See, my problem is anytime I see a darker skinned man that look good, I be like, I look absolutely crazy right now. I look so tired, but I'm not. I'm not awake. But yeah, I be like, and that's my problem. I need to calm down. That is the issue. Okay, so this is what I'm getting. Why is it $40? I don't know. But I need assistance. Oops. I'm gonna go to Publix to get like my heavy whipping cream and probably my apple juice. Yeah, because I don't have any more of the ones that I like here. But heavy whipping cream, apple juice, and there was something else that I needed that I wanted. Can't remember. Oh, water. I need water. And then I have my water here. So yeah, heavy whipping cream, apple juice, and water is the goal for Publix. Child, the registers are down, so I'm hoping that I was about to say self-checkout. I'm hoping that self-checkout is still like up and running, like they got them up and running by the time I get back up to the front. Hungry again. I just ate. What the hell? I just ate. All these sweets look mighty good. But I keep thinking about the body that I want. And I've been talking about wanting abs for at least 2 to 3 years. So I gotta chill out like how I eat. It's not cute. It's not cute being unhealthy, out of shape. It's not cute. It would never be cute. For me. Don't cancel me. For me. For me. Okay? There's no shade towards nobody but myself, okay? Calm down. Okay, so we got the adapter. I'm about to see if it works on my computer. The last time I tried to edit a YouTube video, it didn't work. So hopefully this works. That's all I ask of. That's all I ask for is that it works. Well, I don't know which way to put it in there. It's giving this way the silver. I don't know. Okay, that makes sense. Alright, let's hope that this works and I can start editing YouTube videos because, child, who wanna put up with that? Who wanna put up with that? I don't. She's plugged in. Okay, it went straight to Final Cut Pro. Every time I see me and my ex-boyfriend's videos on this hard drive, I'll be like, I don't want to delete these things because like it was in the middle of 2020. But some of these things are like, oh, but we just aren't those people anymore. We just aren't those people anymore. It's good to know that this works though. Now I gotta find the SD card that I actually need. And we'll be good to go. We'll be good to edit. Yeah, so it works. Hey. Y'all, give me something to do next to do with my hair. I love my hair, don't get me wrong. But like, I can't keep it straight forever. Yeah? So, and I don't mind wearing it out curly or like, but I'm just tired of like, slick back, edges, poof, slick up, poof, twist out. You know, I be wanting to just switch it up sometimes. So I'm thinking like maybe find a hair texture that's like, you know how people do like the half wigs and like it'll start like here and like their hair will be out and it'll still be curly and I can have my hair out in the front and then my hair braided up in the back and put the wig on. That's an option. But where do people find these wigs, you know? Honey. All right, I'm about to sit and edit these videos. I have 4 videos to officially, well, 4, 5, 6. I got 6 videos to edit officially. It was about 17. I was just like, let's just delete and start all over because let's just work on being consistent first. Yeah, let's do a manageable number and work on being consistent. Now, will there probably be a long video in like the end of November of next year showing all those videos from 2025 that I recorded for Vlogmas and did not post a whole 12 to 13 days? Absolutely. But for right now, we are starting over and we are starting fresh. I've cleaned out some of my stuff in my hard drive. Not my hard drive. I've cleaned out some of the stuff in my iCloud and put it into my hard drive. Yeah. So I'm excited. I got a lot of stuff planned for this year. A lot of stuff. I didn't even tell you I went to Publix. I know we said we was going to Publix, but I forgot a camera in the car and I just started shopping. But I ended up getting the water, the apple juice. I got the Martinelli's apple juice. Yeah. It's so good. It's so good. I got water, apple juice. I got me some other stuff too that I wasn't supposed to get. And yeah, I just gotta put this up in my refrigerator now. But I need to clean out my refrigerator, which is a whole nother YouTube channel. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Remember to do, I almost said the old one. Remember to choose to do what makes you happy and do it tired, do it scared, do it anyway.